Ebony. I'm from the Washington Youth Academy, and today we're going to make apple fritter bread. So on your ingredients, you're going to want 2 Granny Smith apples that are peeled and diced, half a cup or 1 stick a cup of butter that is room temperature, 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1½ cups of flour, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, 1 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. So first, in a separate mixing bowl, you're going to want to add your softened stick of butter and your 2/3 cup of sugar. We're going to cream these together. I'm going to use my hand mixer today. Okay, so we have our butter that is creamed. I'm going to go ahead and add our 2 eggs and our vanilla. We're going to mix this. And we're going to add half a cup of milk. We're going to incorporate this. To our flour, we're going to add our baking soda. Going to mix this together. And we are going to add half at a time to our wet ingredient and just mix until it's smooth. I'm going to scrape down my sides and add the second half of my flour mixture. So, as you can see, it's going to be thick, but it's going to be smooth. We're just going to set this to the side. We're going to grab our apples, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I'm just going to toss these to coat. Set this to the side. We're going to add our 2nd teaspoon of cinnamon to our brown sugar. And I'm going to mix it. So we have a cinnamon brown sugar. So with our 3 main ingredients, I have a prepared loaf pan. I just sprayed it. I'm going to add half of the batter to the bottom of the pan. We are going to add half of the apples. Kind of push them down into the batter, and half of our cinnamon brown sugar mixture. Just gonna sprinkle that on top. And then we are going to repeat with the second half of our ingredients. And same thing, batter, apples, press it down, and top with brown sugar and cinnamon. So you want to make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So this is going to go into a preheated oven for about an hour. We're going to check it in 15 minutes. Bread is in the oven. I'm going to clean my workspace. You want to clean as you go to keep a clean kitchen. And these dishes are going to the dishwasher. So our bread came out of the oven. I went ahead and put it on a cookie cutting board for you. I made a simple glaze. This is half a cup of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of milk. And I'm just gonna go ahead and glaze the top of my bread for you. Doesn't that look just amazing?
So, hello everyone, I'm LT Willis from 3rd Platoon, the cadre supervisor. I've been asked to taste this apple fritter bread cake. Yes, apple fritter bread cake. So here goes. What's the best part, the top or the bottom?
The top.
Top. No, it's good. It's good. It is good because I know my cadets are like, oh, she gonna tell the truth. So it's
like,
good. I'm gonna take another bite.
It's like you searching for something. You searching for something.
Cinnamon.
Yeah. Yep.
I need some milk.
Yeah, I was going to ask, you need some milk?
It's good though.